Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you guys my routine, my hair routine, how I style my short hair in between going to the salon and, you know, basically before my next salon day, because of course I don't go to the salon every other week. So as you can see, my hair is dry. I will do a quick wash and I'll come back to you guys. And the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be using the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. And I like to use a generous amount. And most times I like to use a brush like this. Make sure it's really smooth. So, I mean, you can just wrap your hair like this, but when I want like that extra oomph, I do this step, which is just trying to get like some waves at the side. And guys, this step is like very technical, but like super important. Just make sure it's really smooth, really defined before you wrap it. I'll be using this net-like thing that has Velcro here just to wrap the and you also have to make sure it's really smooth just so that it doesn't crease. And then I'll be using this durag, and it's a silk durag as well. And then I'll just put this on my hair. So guys, this is the first step, which is basically me molding my hair in shape so that tomorrow I'll be ready, bright and sharp to style my hair. So I'm gonna go to bed now and I'll continue the rest of this video tomorrow. We're gonna release this bad boy and see if the hair is molded properly. To be honest, you can actually rock this look. I personally have never rocked this look, even if right now I'm really considering and feeling it. Okay, so I have my curling iron. And then you need your styling comb like this. So I'll be using the olive oil heat protecting hair serum. So I usually start from the top. And for this step, to be honest, don't waste your time with getting like very defined curls, because in the end you're gonna make it messy. To be honest, the only reason why I don't like this straightener is because it's so small, and I feel like when it gets really hot it starts to burn me here. So I'm definitely going to buy another one that has more like body that I can work with, if you know what I mean. So guys, I'm done with my curls. It really depends on how curly you want it to look or what style you're going for. So now just start to loosen out the curls, and just so that it can look, you know what I'm saying, more like me and not that. Now with the curls here, I really like my hair to look curly, so what I do is I just separate the curls with my finger. Now when I have something like this, I then go in with the comb, the big side of the comb for the back, and I just run it through. And guys, that is basically me done. I don't go to the salon every time. I go to the salon once a month, to be honest. So I do this in between like my salon wash and you know, before I go in for styling. So like I said, my hair's already been cut. My hair was cut at WONDROUS in VI, and I will link her description below. All the questions that you have for me for short hair or how you style your natural hair, let me know what you use. Let me know if you want to cut your hair. Let me know how many of you actually shortcut. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more of, you know, my hair routine or what I do, products that I use, and I'll be sure to see you in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.